Hello students, welcome back. Now in the last class we have seen that we have solved exercise 8.1 first problem, in which we have solved how to find out trigonometric ratios sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Now this is the second problem. The problem is defined as a figure is given, the same right angle triangle, and it is right angled at Q, and sides are given. The side PQ equals to 12 centimeters, side PR equals to 13 centimeters. Now in this problem we need to solve tan P and cot R. So these are the two other trigonometric ratios. So let's start solving this. So first let's write down what is given. So given that side PQ equals to 12 centimeters and side PR equals to 13 centimeters, RP or PR, whatever it. Same here again, the perpendicular side is given, hypotenuse is given. Okay, we don't know the third side, so we don't know the third side, QR. So let's find out QR using the same Pythagoras theorem. Which states that the sum of the squares of the two sides is equals to the third side, square of the third side. So opposite side square plus adjacent side square is equals to hypotenuse side square. Now we need to find out two trigonometric ratio. One is tan P, ratio with respect to angle P. The other one is cot R, ratio with respect to angle R. So first let's consider first bit as tan P. We'll draw the diagram using the angle P. So it is right angled at Q, it is P, it is R, and it is Q, right angle at Q. Now we don't know the value of QR. We know the value of RP or PR, which is 13 centimeters, and we know the value of QP or PQ, which is 12 centimeters. So to find out the third one with respect to angle P, this will be the opposite side, this will be the adjacent side, this will be the hypotenuse. So the side which is opposite to the angle P is QR, which we don't know, so we will write it as QR square plus adjacent is 12 square, hypotenuse is 13 square. QR square plus 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. So QR square is equals to 169. We'll subtract by minus 144 on both sides. So on LHS, minus 144 plus 144 will get cancelled. On RHS, 169 minus 144, which will equal to 25. So QR will equals to root 25, which will equal to 5 into 5, which will equal to 5. So the value of QR, the base, is 5 centimeters. Okay. Now you can easily find out the value of tan p now. Tan p is equals to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite, just now we found out QR, which is 5, and adjacent is already written is 12. Cot with respect to R. Okay. Now cot with respect to R, simply the value changes. So for this what we'll do, we'll try to draw the diagram angle with respect to R. Q, P, R. This will be 90 degrees. This will be the angle. This will be the opposite side. This will be the opposite side. And this will be the adjacent side. This will be the hypotenuse. So cot R is equals to adjacent by opposite, which is reciprocal of tan. Now adjacent side, the value of adjacent side is 12. So this will be 12. QR is, just now we found it, is 5, and opposite is 12. So the value is adjacent to the angle R is 5, opposite is 12. Now solution is, we need to find out the trigonometric ratio tan P minus cot R, which is equals to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, which is equals to 0. So the value of tan P minus cot R is equals to 0. Thank you, students. If you got any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.